Good morning. Yesterday, Delhi police has filed a charge sheet of 1030 page charge sheet against the suspended Aam Aadmi Party councillor Tahir Hussain and 14 other in Karkar Doma court in connection with the riots, the Delhi riots which took place in the northeast Delhi in the month of February this year in Chandbagh area. So police filed a charge sheet against the Delhi riots culprit Tahir Hussain and 14 others. The court will take this charge sheet into consideration on 16 June 2020. I mean, now the charge sheet has been filed. Now it will come to the court, and court needs to decide on the charge sheet. Tahir Hussain, who is an Aam Aadmi Party, the ruling party of Delhi, he was the councillor from Aam Aadmi Party. Now he has been suspended from his party. Tahir Hussain has been alleged in the charge sheet that he was the mastermind of this of the violence that took place that day, and he spent around 1 crore 30 lakhs in the entire violence. Tahir Hussein's brother and 14 people and 15 others were also named in the charge sheet. In the charge sheet, it also give a hint that Tahir Hussain met with Umar Khalid, the Tukde Tukde gang champion, Umar Khalid and Khalid Safi and others who was protesting against the Citizenship Amendment Act before the violence took place. So it is 1030 pages charge sheet, but the brief of this that the Tahir Hussain and some of his person, 15 others, has been named in the Delhi violence which took place at Chandbagh in northeast Delhi in the month of February. And the mastermind in the charge sheet is mentioned Tahir Hussein's name. In India, when the Citizenship Amendment Act which became an act, India saw protests from in the month of December itself. So the protest December itself took place, but in the month of February, the violence took place in Delhi was deadly, and it was on the backdrop of Citizenship Amendment Act. This is nothing but a few people for their political gain or for selfishness used innocent minority people and told them that Citizenship Amendment Act has got linked with Indian Muslims in India, which is not. Which government has cleared that Citizenship Amendment Act is nothing to do with the Muslims or any religions from any community. It is about giving citizenship who are coming from Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Afghanistan, who has been pushed out from due to some religious problem. So that was clear in the Citizenship Amendment Act, but some people use them and try to make agitation against the Indian government so that the things go worse. Same goes for Shaheen Bagh. Till the virus was not come into place, and the virus was there, the innocent minority people who have been provoked by like Umar Khalid and team, some of the people came to Shaheen Bagh, provoked them for anti-CAA, and they believed them, because the person who was provoking them are from a learned person. So I believe the violence which took place, the riot which took place in Delhi in the month of February, it is basically totally planned. We can understand that, totally planned, and it was done because keeping in mind but Donald Trump was present in the month of February, and Umar Khalid was openly seen speaking that they will use this movement where Donald Trump will come to India, they will protest in front of Donald Trump. So this violence or the protest which took place in the Delhi in the month of February was happened when Donald Trump, president of US, was there in India, and just to show Donald Trump that some minorities are not happy with the Citizenship Amendment Act, and to give a negative image of Indian government, or give a negative image of India. They did all kind of violence, which was very much planned. And this Citizenship Amendment Act violence was supported by some Western countries, and some Asian countries was also into it, and some Indian people were also provoking this Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act. As a result, what happened? This Tahir Hussain, the councillor of Aam Aadmi Party, who has been named in a charge sheet, spent a good amount of money, and the violence took place as per the charge sheet. So this is a charge sheet which was filed by Delhi police. Now the charge sheet will come to the court. Now the court has to discuss or what to do with the charge sheet. They will reject the charge sheet or not, whatever. It's a court process, and it will take from 16 June onwards. It will go on. But whatever the court decide, but the Delhi police has filed a charge sheet and exposed the name of Tahir Hussain, because when Tahir Hussain was police wanted to catch Tahir Hussain. Tahir Hussain was missing for quite a number of days. Then he made a video, and after that he surrendered to Delhi police. So this drama he did. Even Umar Khalid and some of his Tukde gang friend will be investigation by Delhi police, which Aam Aadmi Party has already given the clearance. So we need to see what is happening. People try to create bad image of India, and that this has been funded by some Western countries and some media personnel within India and outside India. They are supporting this anti-CAA type, which is, and it is clear the Citizenship Amendment has got nothing to do with the citizens of India. Citizens of India will remain as a citizen of India. CAA Act has got nothing to do. It is cleared by government. Still they protested violence, and we have seen the number of deaths took place in the Delhi riots. So we need to see in coming days what progress take place in the charge sheet, and what court take action on the charge sheet. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you very much.